Okay, good morning to all. Good morning. Am I audible? Okay. So yesterday we had discussed this topic, okay, isomorphic graph, and some of the example we have finished. Let's add some more graph to this concept and let's verify it. Uh, what is meaning of isomorphic graph? In that we compare the two graphs, okay. There are two graphs is given that we come, and if they are one to one correspond between the vertex and edges, okay, then it is called the isomorphic graph, okay. Two different sketch will be there in this both graph. Both have the same number of vertex, same number of edges, and we have to check that they are essentially same or not, okay. The structure are different that, but we have to verify that they are same or not, okay. So how we can check they are essentially same or not? So for that, we'll use the one-to-one relation to the vertex and the edges. If both the graphs satisfy the one-to-one relation between the vertex and between the edges, then it is known as an isomorphic graph. Okay. So there should be the one-to-one correspond between the vertex and the one-to-one correspond between the edges. Clear? Then it is known as an isomorphic graph. Okay. That is the result, and here it is a definition in mathematical form, clear in graph theory form. So what is meaning of that? Okay, so for that we consider two graphs G1 and G2. In G1 we have the vertex as a V1 and E1, and G2 as a vertex set V2 and edge set E2. Okay, these are the two arbitrary notation, and we say G1 is isomorphic to G2 if there is a one-to-one function f from V1 on to V2 such that there is an edge between UV in the G1. So there should be an edge between f of u and f of v in the G2. Okay. Means you have to check the image of every vertex should be exist to the second graph. Okay. Image of every vertex of first graph should be exist to the second graph. Okay. If it is a correct for all the vertex, then it is called the isomorphic graph. If it is not correct, then it is not isomorphic graph. Okay. So that definitions we had discussed in the last lecture, okay? And these are the some few counter example that we discussed during that lecture. Okay, they are not isomorphic graph. Okay, we compare the two graph here, G1 and G2, and then after G1, G3 and G2, G3. Okay, we can consider comparison between two graph only. Clear? If they are isomorphic graph, if they are essentially same, means if they are one-to-one correspond to the vertex and edges, then it is known as the isomorphic graph. Okay. So here in the first and second graph, G1 and G2, they are isomorphic graph here. Why it is isomorphic graph? Because it has a one-to-one correspond relation. Okay. Now the graph is simple here. Okay, three vertex and two edges only. But we have some graph of more number of vertex and more number of edges. In such case, this one-to-one correspond relation is very important to verify they are isomorphic or not. Okay. Here you can compare the directly that there are three vertex in the both the graph. Both have the two edges clear in G1 and G2 clear. There is a two vertex of degree 1. There is also two vertex of degree 1. And there is one vertex of degree 2. So it is also one vertex of degree 2. Clear? That is a basic form. Okay. That we can use for some simple graph, which is a limited number of vertex and so on. Clear? And then after we can verify by one-to-one correspond relation. So how we can use it here? Okay. First consider the notation to this graph. It is a three notation ABC. Okay. And then after identify image of all these three vertex to the second graph. सबकी image आपको second graph में map करनी है. ठीक है? So to find the image of all the vertex of first graph to the second graph. Clear? So let's start with the A. So how we can check image of A to the second graph? How we can consider any vertex as a image of A? Okay. So for that, consider the degree of A. Okay, degree of A is equal to 1. To find such vertex to the second graph, whose degree should be 1. Okay. Find such vertex to the second graph, whose degree should be 1. And then after use the second condition. So what is the second condition? Okay, here A is adjacent with the B. and whose degree is a 2 in the first graph. Okay, एक इसके साथ adjacent है, that is a B here, and B has a degree 2. Clear? So now find such place to the second graph whose vertex, whose degree is a 1. Okay, and that should be adjacent with one more vertex whose degree should be 2. Again, find such vertex to the second graph, which will be the image of A, and that should be adjacent with one more vertex whose degree should be 2. Okay, so we can consider that is a place of A here. Okay, that is a dash. You can also consider this place here for A dash. Now it is adjacent with this vertex whose degree is a 2. So that will be the image of B, and that is a B dash. And B dash is adjacent with C to the first graph, whose degree is a 1. So from B dash, you should have one more vertex. Okay, from B dash, that should be adjacent with one more vertex whose degree should be 1. ओके, बी डैश के साथ भी एक वर्टेक्स कनेक्टेड होना चाहिए जिसकी डिग्री 1 होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, so here b dash is adjacent with this vertex and its degree is a 1, so we can say it is a c dash. Clear? So now that is a 1-to-1 correspond between the vertex as well as edges. How it is edges? Okay, there is an edge between a to b in the first graph. A और b के बीच में एक edge है in the first graph. There should be also edge between a dash and b dash to the second graph. ठीक है, here it is edge between b and c to the first graph, so here it is edge should be there in b dash and c dash. ठीक है, that is a 1-to-1 correspond to the edges. And for vertex, their edge adjacent to the b, so here a dash is also adjacent to the b dash. ठीक है, degree is a 1, so that should be also match. And b dash is adjacent with c here, and here b is adjacent with the c. Clear? So they are isomorphic graph. It is for simple 3 vertex and 2 edges. Clear? Both sketch are different. Okay, the structure are different that, but now you have to check they are essentially same or not. वो दोनों equal same है या नहीं. ठीक है, means isomorphic है या नहीं. So that is a 1-to-1 correspond relation. And if we compare G1 and G3, so it is not isomorphic graph. Okay, if we compare G2 and G3, so it is not isomorphic graph. We cannot find image of every vertex of G1 to the G3. ठीक है, we cannot find image of every vertex of G1 to the G3. Therefore, it is not isomorphic graph. Okay, and then after we had discussed this questions also. Clear? In the question number 2, that is also not isomorphic graph. Clear? 4 vertex with 4 edges. दोनों में same है. The equality are same. Clear? Vertex equality and edge equality, they are same. Clear? But they are not isomorphic graph. Why it is not isomorphic graph? If we find the 1-to-1 correspond result here, there are 4 vertices given to this graph. Okay, A, B, C, D. And now let us check image of every vertex to the second graph. Okay, so let's find image of A. That is a dash. Okay, and which vertex we can consider as image of A? Here degree of A is equal to 2 in the first graph. Okay, degree कितनी है यहाँ पे? 2 is that. So find such vertex to the second graph whose degree should be 2. Okay, find such vertex to the second graph whose degree should be 2. And now also check the adjacency relation. Clear? So here A is adjacent with B and D. ठीक है, A जो adjacent है B और D के साथ. And what is the degree of B and D? That is a 2. Clear? So now find such place here. Find such vertex to the G2 whose degree should be 2. That will be the image of A. And A should be adjacent with 2 more vertex whose also the degree should be the 2. Then we can say it is a B dash and D dash. Clear? So here there are 2 places whose degree is a 2. And if we consider any of the places A dash, then it is not correct. Why it is not correct? If I consider this place as a dash, then it is not a suitable place of the A. Because A dash is adjacent with 2 more vertex, whose degree should be 2. And here there are connect the 2 more vertex, and one vertex is degree 2 and second vertex is degree 3. Clear? So that we cannot say it is image of A. Clear? यहाँ पे degree 3 है, that is a degree 2. So it is a contradict. Clear? With the first graph. So therefore it is not isomorphic graph. Clear? And if we use this condition to the third graph, they are isomorphic graph. Okay, why it is isomorphic graph? Here we can easily prove it. That is A, B, C, D, 4 vertex. Clear? And it has also 4 vertex and 4 edges. That is also 4 vertex and 4 edges. But this pair is isomorphic pair. This pair is not isomorphic pair. Okay, in the example number 2, this pair is not isomorphic. But here we can easily prove it here. Okay, so A with A dash. Clear? A has degree 2. So let's consider this place is A dash. Okay. Whose degree 2. And A is adjacent with B and D. Whose degree is also 2 here. So find such place from this graph, which will be the image of A. Whose degree is a 2. And A dash should be adjacent with 2 more vertex. Whose degree also should be the 2. Okay. So A is adjacent with 2 more vertex. The degree is a 2. That clear? So which two place? This vertex and this vertex. We are adjacent with A dash. Okay. It has also the degree 2. So we can consider here let us say D dash. Okay. And here vertex is a B dash. Clear? These are the image of D and B. Clear? And now one more place is that for a C. So which will be the place of C? Okay, C is adjacent with B and D. Okay. So here C dash should also adjacent with B dash and D dash. Okay. C dash should also adjacent with B dash and D dash. Clear? So all the vertex are mapped. Okay. We have image of all the vertex of first graph to the second graph. Okay. And they are isomorphic graph. Okay. They are one-to-one correspond to the vertex as well as one-to-one correspond to the edges. Clear? ये जो है, there is edge between A B. So here it is also edge between A dash and B dash. There is edge between C and D. There is also edge between C dash and D dash. Okay. There is edge between A and D. There is also edge between AD, BC, CD, BC, and so on. Clear? So they are isomorphic graph. Clear? And then after we had discussed this property for a minimum number of vertex. Okay? First, we'll use this property to verify the isomorphic or not. Okay, but in the questions, we'll get some graph. Okay, they contain the same number of vertex and same number of edge. Here in some graph it will be mismatched there. So in such case, you can write this reason. Okay, they are not isomorphic graph because edges are not equal. Okay, vertex are not equal. Okay, so both graphs should have the same number of edges and same number of vertex. ठीक है, दोनों ग्राफ में इक्वल होना चाहिए नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस एंड नंबर ऑफ एज. ठीक है, if any graph if any data is mismatched, okay, then you can directly write it is not isomorphic graph without using the one-to-one correspondence. Okay. Then after it has the same number of regions, same number of parallel edges, same number of loop. Okay. If one graph contain one loop, then second graph should also contain the one loop. If first graph has a two parallel edges, then second graph should also has a two parallel edges. Okay. So that are the simple result. And then after we also discuss this two graph. Okay, in the last lecture. In this both graph, in the first graph they are equality that. Okay, it has a 7 vertex and 8 edges. 7 edges. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 vertex and 7 edges, both the graph. But here, one-to-one correspond will not match. Okay. We cannot find one-to-one correspond to the vertex also. Here, let's check it to the first graph. Okay, there is vertex A, it is a B, that is a C, D, F, G, and H. These are the vertex notation of the first graph. And these are arbitrary notation. Okay, you can put any vertex as A, B, C, D, and so on. And you can also start with any vertex to the map. Okay, for mapping, you can start with any vertex. You can start with the F first, you can start with the D first, you can start with the C first, any vertex you can consider. Okay, so let's start with the A. You have to check it one-to-one correspond to the second graph. So A has a degree 2. Okay, so find such place to the second graph whose degree should be 2. Okay, and here for adjacency case, A is adjacent with B and F. Okay, A is adjacent with B and F. Its degree is also 3. Okay, degree is a 3. So now find such place, find such vertex to the second graph whose degree is a 2, and it should be adjacent with 2 more vertex whose degree should be 3. Okay, इसमें आपको ऐसा वर्टेक्स फाइंड करना है जिसकी डिग्री 2 होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, और वो जो वर्टेक्स है बाकी 2 वर्टेक्स साथ एडजेसेंट होना चाहिए, मींस कनेक्ट होना चाहिए, जिसकी डिग्री क्या होनी चाहिए 3. Then you can say this vertex is the image of A. Is it clear? That is one-to-one correspond to the vertex. So here it is not possible. This 3 vertex is pendant vertex, so it is not possible to say image of A. Now remaining are the 4 vertex. Okay, and now find the degree 2 vertex. So this is the degree 3, and this 2 vertex is degree 2. Okay, if you consider any of the places a dash, then it will be not correct. If we say it is a dash vertex, okay, it is image of A, whose degree is a 2, okay, but it is not a correct place. Okay, it is not a suitable place of the. Why it is not suitable? A dash is adjacent with these 2 vertex. ये दोनों vertex साथ adjacent है. Okay, and one of the vertex is degree 2 and second vertex is degree 3, and here we required both the vertex should be the degree 3. Okay, A के साथ B and F are connected there, and both the vertex should have degree 3. Clear? So here it is not possible to find image of A. Clear? It is not possible to find image of A, and our condition is all the vertex should be 1 to 1 correspond. Clear? If image of all the vertices exist, then it is called isomorphic graph, not only for one vertex. ठीक है, सभी vertex आपको मैप करना है as per the first graph. If it is a map, then it is isomorphic graph. If any one vertex is not mapped, then it is not isomorphic. ठीक है, so that is not isomorphic graph. And then after second pair, in that the number of edges are mismatched. Here edges are 10 and here edges is equal to the 11. Clear? So in that case, it is not isomorphic graph. Clear? This graph contains 10 edges and vertex are equal. Okay, दोनों में 6 vertex है, vertex are same, but the second graph has 11 edges and first graph has a 10 edges. In that case, it is not isomorphic. Clear? And now this one. That already we checked. Okay, that is isomorphic graph. Clear? One of the 2 graph is given that not any notation is mentioned it here. Clear? In exam, also this type of graph will be given. Okay, this type of graph where any arbitrary sketch will be there, which include the same number of vertex, same number of edges, but structure will be the different. Okay, you have to verify they are isomorphic or not. तो isomorphic है या नहीं, ये आपको verify करना. ठीक है? In verification case, which mark we consider that? You have to mention the notation to the first graph. Clear? Arbitrary any notation. You can start with A, B, C, D, any notation you can consider here. Okay, and then find it image to the B, means image to the second graph. Clear? That notation will consider which image you have to consider to the which vertex, if it is a correct or not, and as per that you will get a mark. Is it clear? There is no any some step we have to mention it here. That 2 graph will be there in the question also. Verify they are isomorphic or not. Clear? तो इसमें आपको theory mention नहीं करनी है, ठीक है? You will mention first theory and then after we can get result. It is verification of. Okay? You have to consider this both graph and then after mention the notation to this all vertex and then after create it image to the second graph. Okay? So here this 2 graph is given that let's mention the notation that is A, B, C, D, that is E, F, G and H. Okay? Both have the same vertex. दोनों में कितने vertex है? There are 8 vertex and how many edges? 12 edges. 12 edges. Okay? दोनों में 12 edges है. Both have same number of vertex. And now create the image of each vertex. ठीक है? So here image of A, that is equal to 3. Image of degree of A is equal to 3. Okay. So here you have to find such vertex whose degree should be 3. Okay. We'll find such vertex degree should be 3. And A is adjacent with B, E, D. Okay. A किसके साथ adjacent है? That is a B, E and D के साथ. Clear? So we'll consider such place to this second graph whose degree should be 3 and it should be adjacent with 3 more vertex. The degree also should be 3. Okay. Up to this you have to verify and then after mention the notation. ठीक है? वहां तक आपको पहले verify करना. Is it clear? Okay. So let's consider any of the places a dash. let's keep this is a dash. Okay. So A dash, this vertex is adjacent with this one, this vertex, and this vertex. Okay. So first mention any notation to this one. Clear? That is, let us say B dash, that is a D dash, and that is E dash. Okay. Is it clear up to this? Now for second part, vertex B. तो B जो है किसके साथ एडजेसेंट है? It is for A, F, and C. ठीक है? As per our notation, B is adjacent with A. That we already connected B dash to A dash. That is fixed now. Okay? We cannot modify B to create a new connection. B dash is now fixed. Clear? And now to create a C dash and F dash. Which place, which two connection is remaining from B dash? A dash is already created here. Okay. Now this vertex and this vertex are the adjacent with B dash. Okay. And that will be the image of C dash and F dash. So which place will be the image of C dash and which place will be the image of F dash? Upper or lower? Which place will be the place of C dash? There are two connections that you do consider as image of C and D. Yeah. Okay. For that you have to also observe this E dash and D dash. ठीक है, उसको भी आपको कंसिडर करना है. Why we consider it here? Because in the first graph, F is adjacent with E. ठीक है, F किसके साथ adjacent है फर्स्ट ग्राफ में? E के साथ adjacent है. ठीक है, and C is adjacent with the D. C जो है D के साथ adjacent. ठीक है, so if I consider this vertex as a place of C dash, then it is incorrect. Okay, that vertex is not an image of C dash. Clear? Why it is not image of C dash? Because after that we have no any relation between C dash and D dash. There is no any edge between C dash and D dash after that. Here it is connected. Clear? So that is not suitable place for C dash. Clear? Randomly we cannot put any image. Okay, vertex to the image. You have to first verify remaining connection also, remaining adjacency also. Clear? So here it is not a C dash form, it is wrong. It is a place of F dash, and that will be the place of C dash. Now you can see it is verified. Clear? Here it is E to F are adjacent, E and F are adjacent here to the first graph. So here F dash and E dash should also adjacent. Clear? And here it is a C dash and D, C and D are adjacent here. So here C dash and D dash is also adjacent. Clear? Now for remaining two vertex, yeah, these are the remaining. Clear? So which vertex will be the place of H? Yeah. Okay. Here you can see that C is adjacent with the G. Okay. C जो है G के साथ adjacent है. So we consider C dash is this place. So it will be the place of G dash and it will be the place of H dash. Okay. That is the isomorphic graph. They are one-to-one correspond between the all the vertex. Clear? And now next graph, is it isomorphic graph? No, it is not isomorphic graph because one of the vertex is degree 4 here and there is no such vertex to the first graph whose degree is a 4. So here we cannot map with any other vertex. Okay, so that is not isomorphic graph. Now next, okay, I think this was also pending. Yeah, what is the answer of this one? A, B, 6, 7 vertex to this graph. It has also 7 vertex. Okay, now check edges. There are 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6, 7, 9 edges are there, and it has a 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both have the 9 edges. ठीक है, दोनों में 9 edges है, 6 vertex, 7 vertex. Now let us check one to one correspond. Okay, if they are equal, both are equal, there is only one way to verify they are isomorphic or not. It is a one to one correspond reason. Okay, if any data is mismatched, then there is no any need to verification for isomorphic. To use the isomorphic condition. Okay, but if they are equal, and how we can verify they are isomorphic or not? One to one correspond. Okay, now this both data are same, but as we know that they are not isomorphic graph. Clear? As we know that they are not isomorphic graph. Clear? Why it is not isomorphic graph? Let's find image of the A. That is vertex A here. It has a degree 2. Okay. इसकी degree क्या है? A की degree 3 है. And A is adjacent with two more vertex, whose degree is a 2. Okay. That is, let us say, B vertex, and that is a C. Clear? A जो है वो B और C के साथ connected है. This is degree 2. So find such place here, find such vertex to this graph whose degree is 3, and it should be adjacent with two more vertex whose degree should be 2. So first identify degree 3 vertex. Which vertex are degree 3? Find such place. Okay, this vertex is degree 3, this vertex is degree 3, and this vertex is degree 3. Okay, like that. Then after verify that, can we find such place whose degree is 3 and it is also adjacent with two more vertex whose degree should be 2. Which place? That last one. Okay. अगर यहाँ पे मैं एड्रेस पुट करता हूँ then it is incorrect. ठीक है, why it is incorrect? क्योंकि ये जो वर्टेक्स है इसके साथ कनेक्टेड है, इससे डिग्री 3. ठीक है, that is also degree 3 over here. Clear? So it is not a dash form. Similarly, I cannot put a dash here. It is also not correct because that is adjacent with two vertex with degree is 3. Clear? That is also not correct. But if I put a dash here, a dash to this vertex, that is our image of A. Okay. So it is adjacent with two vertex. Which two vertex? This place and this place. It has a degree 2. Okay. It has a degree 2. Clear? Is it correct or not? Clear? So now which place will be the B dash and which place will be the C dash? Can you put B dash here? That is not correct. Why it is not correct? What is adjacency of B now? Adjacency of B, that is this one, that is a B here. It is adjacent with one vertex only. Okay? Its degree is a 3. If I put B here, so B is adjacent with this vertex. It has a degree 2 only. Clear? So that is not a place for B. Clear? So which place is suitable? This one. If I put B dash here, so this vertex are adjacent with this one, and it has a degree 3. Clear? So we can consider the next step by using this one. Clear? So that is not a place for B. That is a place for B dash. Okay. That is B dash here, and that is a C dash. Okay. Now next step. D dash is adjacent with, let us put all the notation here. A, B, C, there is a D, that is a D here, it is a E, F, and the G. Okay. So B is adjacent with E. Okay. So B dash is adjacent with this vertex. So clearly it is a place for E dash. Clear? There is only one vertex are adjacent with the B. A is already fixed. And after that, one more vertex from the B. So this place will be the E dash. Clear? And after that, E dash is adjacent with D and G. ठीक है? E dash किसके साथ adjacent है? D के साथ adjacent है और G के साथ adjacent है. तो यहाँ से E is adjacent with this vertex and this vertex. So which place will be the place for D and G? इस दोनों में से कौन सी प्लेस डी की होगी, कौन सी प्लेस जी की होगी? ठीक है, फॉर दैट यू टू ऑब्जर्व रिमेनिंग कनेक्शन. ठीक है, इफ आई कंसीडर दिस प्लेस इज द जी, अगर मैं यहाँ पे जी डैश पुट करता हूँ यहाँ पे, ठीक है, द बिलो प्लेस पे in between E and A dash. If I put the G here, then it is not a correct. Why it is not correct? Because there is no any relation between A and G to this graph. There is no any adjacency relation between A and G to the first graph. Okay, so that is not a part of G dash here. This vertex is not a place for G dash. Okay, that is a place for G dash and it is a place for D. Clear? So it will be a place for D dash here, and that is a place for G dash. Clear? Now verify all the connection that A and D are adjacent here to the first graph. So here A dash and D dash are also adjacent. Clear? Then after D and D here adjacent to the first graph, so here D dash and G dash is adjacent to the second graph here. Clear? AD, then after ED, that is ED adjacent to E dash, D dash adjacent. Now last is the G. Clear? Sorry, F. So F are in between. Clear? F is adjacent with C and G. So here you can find such place. Its degree should be 2 and it should be adjacent with C and G. Clear? And that is one more vertex is given here, and that will be the place of F. Clear? So these are the isomorphic graph. It is not easy for some graph. Okay, it will take some time. Clear? You to verify all the connection, remaining connection, next connections, and then after you will get idea and you can find the suitable place. You cannot put randomly any place as any image of any vertex. Okay? Then after it should be the one-to-one correspond to the vertex and to the edges. Okay? Okay. Now verify the second graph. Is there any confusion to anyone? Okay. You can also take this screenshot of this slide if required the solution. Okay. Which place will be the image of each vertex? Okay. Just keep the screenshot with you. Both have the 5 vertex. Okay. दोनों में 5 vertex है. Vertex are 5. Now check edges. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both have 5 edges. Now verify they are isomorphic or not. Just practice it. It's very easy, not difficult. Just try it. Okay, what is the answer? Is it isomorphic or not? Change the notation if it is not visible. Clear? Consider any notations to any vertex. Let us say it is a, that is a B, it is a C, that is a D, and it is a E. Okay, these are the 5 notations to this graph. Okay, and now check the image of A. It should be degree 2. Okay, and it adjacent with 2 more vertex. Adjacent with 2 more vertex. Degree also should be the 2. ठीक है. So here सभी की डिग्री 2 है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. In second graph all the vertex have degree 2. You can keep any notation, any vertex is a degree A. Let us say that is image of A. It is a image of A. Okay, this vertex. You can consider any vertex. Okay, as per that you will get another answer. And now A dash is adjacent with two more vertex. Okay, it has a degree 2 also. Consider any of the B dash. Okay, and second is a C. That is a C dash. Clear? So that is image of B. It is B dash. That is image of C is C dash. Is it correct? Okay. And now next stage. Okay, here B is adjacent with A and E. Okay, B is adjacent with A and E. B to A connection is already fixed. Now which is remaining? B to E. And here B is also connected with one more vertex at that place. Clear? And which has also the degree 2. And it is E has also the degree 2. Clear? So that will be the image of E. Clear? That is E dash. And then after last one, E dash is connect with the D dash. Okay? E dash is E is adjacent with the D. So here this vertex will be the image of D dash. Okay? And C and D are adjacent in the first graph. So here C dash and E dash, D dash are also adjacent to the second. Clear? So image of all the vertex are exist to the second graph. Clear? So what does it mean? It is isomorphic graph. Okay? In the question, this type of graph will be there. Okay? Without notation. You have to first mention the notation to the first graph, and as per your notations, create it image to the second. Okay, if I change the notation, then image will be changed to the second graph also. Okay, as per this notations, I consider this image. Okay, and you can use any notation as a image. You can use f of A, f of B, f of C. That is also one correct form of the image. Otherwise, you can consider A dash, B dash, C dash, and so on. Clear? Any confusion? Now try it for this one. Okay, both have 6 vertex. How many edges? 9 edges. Okay. In center there are no vertex. यहाँ पे जो cross हो रहा है, there is no any vertex to the center. Okay. All the vertex are placed to the boundary. सभी vertex boundary पे placed है. And now notation is mentioned that you to just consider image of U1, U2, U3, U4 to the V1, V2, V3, V4 and so on. Okay, all of you try it and reply your answer in chat box. Okay, it will be the isomorphic graph. Okay. Is it isomorphic? Is it not isomorphic? If you are still confusion, please ask. Okay, just try it again. To find image of every vertex. Okay. Is there isomorphic graph? Okay. Yes. Let's check image of every vertex. Okay. These are the fixed notation U1, U2, U3. Okay, that we consider as a region. Clear? If it is not visible, that is a U1 vertex. That is a U2. That is a U3. That is a U4, U5, and U6. Clear? 6 vertex are there. So in this first graph, Okay, in this first graph, we'll check image of U1. Okay, and let us say it is a V1. Okay, let's consider it is a V1 is the image of U1. Okay, so here U1 is adjacent with U2, U6 and U4. Okay, U2, U4, U6. U1 जो है कहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है? एक U2 के साथ कनेक्टेड, U4 के साथ कनेक्टेड है and U6 के साथ कनेक्टेड. Okay, so here U1 is connected with these three vertex. Okay, so that should be the image of U2, U4 and U6. Clear? And let us consider here that is a U1 dash. Okay, U1 dash, and let us say it is a U2 dash, U4 dash and U6 dash. Clear? U2, U4, U6. No, it is not K6. It is not K. It is K3. Yes. It is not K6 graph. K6 means complete graph. Each and every vertex should be connected to each other. Each and every vertex should be connected to each other. If you consider it is a K6, then it is not a correct. This vertex should be connected with all the 5 vertex. ये जो है 3 के साथ ही connected है. Rest of the 2 have no any connection. ठीक है? We should have one edge from U1 to U3 and U1 to U5, and same for all the vertex. ठीक है? And each and every vertex should have degree 5 in the K6, but here degree is only 3 of each vertex. ठीक है? That is shape of K33. That is actual shape of K33. 3 vertex in one side and 3 vertex in other side. ठीक है? And we recreate the K3 as this one, K33 as this one, and then after we check that they are isomorphic or not. Okay, and at last we prove that they are isomorphic. Okay, so now 2 places remaining. Okay, this vertex and this vertex. So here U2 is connected with U3 and U1 and U5. So that is a U3 dash here, and that is a U5 dash. Clear? That will be the image of each vertex. Odd vertex will be mapped to the upper form. Okay, upper part of the graph, U1 dash, U5 dash and U3 dash. And the below vertex will be considered as a even vertex form. Okay, means a U2, U4 and U6. So now you can see that यहाँ पे जो U2 है, that is adjacent with U1, U3 and U5. Okay, U2 is adjacent with U1, U3 and U5. So here U2 dash is adjacent with U1, U3 and U5. Okay, U4 dash is adjacent with U4 is this place. U4 is adjacent with U3, U5 and U1. So U4 dash is adjacent with U1, U3 and U5 dash. Clear? So image of every vertex are exist here. So they are isomorphic. Clear? And we'll add some more graph. Okay. In the assignment, we'll practice some more graph related to the isomorph concept in the assignment also. Clear? There are 6 to 7 graph pair is that in the assignment. Clear? So we'll practice this one also. Clear? Is there any confusion in any of the topic of this unit? Okay, so up to this will be the part of mid 1 syllabus. Okay, unit 3, 4 and 5. Course up to this unit 4 and 5. Okay, up to this. Clear? And I already upload this PDF file in your e-content. To verify each and every topic again, prepare all the definition with a counter example, a cut set concept, fundamental cut set concept, fundamental circuit, then after connectivity part, clear, separable graph, isomorphic theory, and both the metrics. Clear? Also prepare the definition, not a counter example. Clear? Also prepare questions, define the definition and Derive the matrix for the following graph. Clear? You also know the definition, that proper definition. Clear? You cannot explain your own language in any of the definition, because definition is a fix. Therefore, we can consider it as a definition. You cannot modify the definition in your own language. Okay? So prepare it as per the given in this PDF file. Okay, that already available in your e-content. So just check it. Clear? And if you have still any doubt, we'll also revise before the Meet 1 exam. Okay. Also, we'll revise in the lab session. Otherwise, in the during one of the lecture. Clear? So start the preparations for Meet exam also. Clear? And in the next lecture, we'll start unit number 6. Clear? Here we'll keep up to this.